Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of picking the right insurance and show you how to avoid getting ripped off. Choosing the right insurance can be overwhelming. With so many options and companies out there, it's easy to make a costly mistake. But don't worry, stick around to avoid some of the most common pitfalls people face when shopping for coverage. The first step in finding the right insurance is understanding exactly what you need. Insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all product, and the coverage that works for one person may not be right for you. Let's start with a simple question. What are you trying to protect? Is it your car, home, health, or life? Knowing this will help you narrow down your options. For health insurance, consider your current health, medications, and whether you need coverage for specific conditions. For auto insurance, think about your car's age, how much you drive, and what's legally required in your state. For life insurance, ask yourself how much your family would need if something were to happen to you. Don't rush into buying something you don't fully understand. Take time to assess your needs and tailor your search accordingly. Now that you know what type of coverage you need, it's time to compare insurance providers. But don't just go with the first company you see. Here's how to avoid getting ripped off. Check reputation, look for customer reviews, complaints, and industry ratings. Reputable providers will have a history of good customer service and claim satisfaction. Don't be swayed by price alone. It's tempting to choose the cheapest option, but sometimes that means sacrificing coverage. Make sure the policy offers adequate protection for your needs. Look at the details, read through the policy terms carefully. Many insurance companies use confusing jargon, so take the time to understand what's covered, and, just as importantly, what isn't. By doing your research, you can ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. There are several common mistakes people make when buying insurance. Let's go through a few, so you don't fall into these traps. Overlooking deductibles. While it's easy to focus on your monthly premium, don't forget about your deductible. The deductible is what you'll pay out of pocket before your insurance starts covering costs. Sometimes a low premium comes with a high deductible, so make sure the balance works for your budget. Skipping the fine print. Many people don't read the fine print, which is where exclusions are hidden. Always check for clauses that limit your coverage, especially for things like natural disasters or accidents. Ignoring the need for extras. For things like car insurance, adding options like roadside assistance, rental car coverage, or comprehensive protection might only cost a little more, but can save you a lot in the long run. Some might think, I'll just get the cheapest option and be done with it. But that can leave you seriously underinsured. If you're not adequately covered, you could face huge out-of-pocket expenses in the event of a claim. For example, if your health insurance doesn't cover enough, you could be stuck paying medical bills you can't afford. Or if your home insurance has low coverage limits, it might not pay for the full cost of repairs after a disaster. Take time to find a policy that gives you peace of mind, without sacrificing essential coverage. When in doubt, it's better to have a little more protection than to risk being underinsured. Once you've found the right policy, don't just forget about it. Life changes, so should your insurance. Annual reviews are essential. Make sure your policy still meets your needs, and adjust it if necessary. If you've had major life changes like a new car, house, or even a baby, your current policy might not be enough. Also, take advantage of discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for bundling multiple policies, or for having a clean driving record. You could be leaving money on the table if you don't review your coverage regularly. Choosing the right insurance takes time, but it's worth it. By understanding your needs, comparing providers, avoiding common mistakes, and reviewing your coverage regularly, you can protect yourself and your loved ones without paying more than necessary. So remember, shop smart, read the fine print, and never settle for subpar coverage. Your future self will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on smart money management, investing, and saving. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.